Howdy, everyone. This is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the Alexan Memorial, and hey, we got off the elevators. Those are right there. There's a nice elevator right there. And then we've walked here into the model. This is the two-bedroom, the larger two-bedroom of the Alexan Memorial. So let's walk in. You're going to love this. I already previewed it. You're going to love it. So we're going to walk in, and we're going to see that bed and bath really soon. But we're going to start with the living room and the kitchen. The living room and the kitchen is stunning. So look at this detail. First, look at this large room that's here. It's white with great brown trim and really light floors. So you've got just a lot of space to entertain, to put your furniture. You can have that larger furniture in here, no problem at all. And look at these views. I mean, look at this gorgeous views. We're actually gonna go walk on this patio and check this out. It's just too pretty of a day, and it's too stunning of a patio to not go look at it. So let's go look at it. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow. Huge wraparound patio, amazing. And then this is going to give you views of this fantastic area, the Memorial area. Wow. You could have some amazing wine out here and really enjoy life with a lot of friends. This could be holding 20 people. Have a great event with 20 people easily. You've got the space that you could do it here with the Alexan Memorial with this large two bed. So this is what it looks like here. And now let's walk into the kitchen, just see a few of those details. This is a really pretty island that's here. So a beautiful island. You can put some chairs in there. And then look at the kitchen. The kitchen's very pretty. It's got some really pretty cabinets. You've got a pantry right over there. And then the appliances are top notch. These are Frigidaire, high-end Frigidaire appliances. It's got a really gorgeous countertop that's here. Man, that's a super high quality, you can tell. And then even the backsplash, look at the kind of the detail that's here. It's really pretty. I like all the lighting that's under, and I love seeing this gas, yes. So you're gonna have gas to cook with. That's always a preferred method to cook with. This is a beautiful apartment. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, send me a text. My number's below, and just say, Grant, I really love this. This is just amazing. I'd love to get more information about this beautiful apartment and make it my own. Just say, hey, Grant, I love these videos. I'm looking in Houston, and I'd like to get your help finding a place, and I want to use your free service to do it. So either way, send me a text. I'll respond very quickly. You can send it literally 24 hours a day, and I'll get a response to you super quick. I don't keep regular office hours. I'm always working pretty much. So would love to help you find your perfect place here in Houston. Hey, so we're about to do a part 2. We're going to go into those bedrooms and the bathrooms. So stick around for part 2. We're going to see that right now.